Hey, what up guys, Dave with Lucky 13 Sports Cards, and today I'm going to be opening another blaster box. Today will be 2013-2014 OPC Hockey. You get 6 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. It says to look for exclusive insert cards inside, which are exclusive to Canadian Tire, and they look like that one that I got earlier. So let's just get started. Oh wait, no. Before we get started, on the back there's 2 box cards of Alexander Ovechkin and Alex Galchenyuk. Now let's get started. I got this for $9 at Canadian Tire. Pretty good deal considering there's 10 packs. So each pack's less than $1. If you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Lucky 13 Sports Cards. And more blaster box breaks will be coming soon. So, first pack. Oh, the card just popped out of that one. I'm going to pick these up. Okay. Base. And a J. Bomeister retro card. Second pack. So I'm really bad at opening OPG packs. There you go. Base. And a marquee rookie of Victor Fast. That's cool. That's the one thing I like about OPG. There's not many base packs, so that's always cool. And then here we go. We got a sticker card of Pavel Datsyuk for the Detroit Red Wings, and a Andrei Markov retro card. Next pack. If any of you guys watched the World Juniors, Canada went out early in the quarterfinals, but the home team Finland actually took home the gold in an overtime win. So that was pretty exciting. And a marquee rookie of Max Reinhart. That's a nice one. Of course, this is the double rookie year. It's my favorite year of hockey cards. It's just a great year. Panini was in it. Upper Deck was in it. Yeah. And Chris Letang retro card. We haven't got a retro rookie, I don't think, yet. Just the regular players or the veterans. Oh, it's pack shredding. I'll use my scissors for this one. Always keep scissors on the side just in case. And a marquee rookie of Nicholas Jensen. That's also a nice one. For the Vancouver Canucks. Base and a Marc-Edouard Vlasic retro. That's nice. Yeah, you guys can expect a new video on the 10th of each month. Oh, sorry, my light shut off. Okay, I'm back with the next pack. Oh, that's nice. Doug Gilmour throwback. Oh, here's the exclusive insert, plus minus, of Pascal Dupuis, Chris Kunitz, and Jonathan Toews. And a Victor Bartley marquee rookie. I got that one in my last box. We're coming down to it. 2 packs to go. Oh, I have to use my scissors on this one too. Yeah, Upper Deck packs always tend to shred. Not very good. But they have gotten better since 13-14. Base sticker of Jason Spezza for the Ottawa Senators, but now he's for the Dallas Stars, and a retro of Lubomir Wisnowski. Yeah. And the final pack for this break. There you go. Looks like a rookie card. And we have a rainbow of Cam Atkinson. Wait, Cam Atkinson, yeah. And a marquee rookie of Damian Brunner, which I already have. Sorry about that, guys. My camera's full of storage and it cut off. But that's the end of the box break. So if you'd like to go check out our last video, click the link at the end of the video to check up all the prices on these cards. Just keep watching. It'll come up right after this. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.